Today I am making a rich, comforting and incredibly flavorful chicken bhuna masala packed with a bold spices, fresh aromatics and that deep restaurant style taste but simple enough to make it at home. Let's start with about 6 to 700 grams of chicken breast. Slice the chicken into small bite pieces, not minced, so each pieces stays juicy and absorb all the beautiful masala. Now it's time to heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any regular oil. Once the oil is hot, now add 1 tablespoon of a whole jeera. Let it sizzle for a few seconds until fragrant. Next add 1 medium onion finely chopped along with 2 medium green chillies minced. Make sure don't use hot green chillies. Stir everything and let it cool gently until the onions soften and start turning slightly golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of a ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste. Saute for few more minutes. These steps builds the flavor base. Once everything smells aromatic, now add 2 tablespoons of a tomato paste. Mix well. 2 medium tomato chopped or puree. Mix well and cook this until the tomatoes soften. Start breaking down into a thick masala. Now it's time for spices. Add 1 teaspoon of a turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of a Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika. You can adjust, and salt to taste. Stir this masala together and cook the masala for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen and the mixture to thicken. You will notice the color getting richer, darker. This is where the magic of bhuna cooking happens. Now add water splash and add chicken pieces and mix really well so every piece is coated in that flavorful masala. Cook the chicken without covering for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally so it cooks evenly and start absorbing the spices. If the masala feels too thick, add a small splash of more water, just enough to keep it in a classic bhuna style. Now cover the pan and cook for another 8 more minutes on medium heat until the chicken is tender, perfectly cooked through. Finally, now finish the squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of a garam masala powder and freshly chopped cilantro. Give everything a gentle mix. The aroma at this stage is absolutely incredible. Serve this beautiful chicken bhuna recipe hot, rich, deeply spiced and perfect with roti, naan or rice. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this recipe. I will see you in the next video and next recipe just like this. Until then, take care. Bye.